Got TSA PreCheck, but it's not showing on your boarding pass? It's fixable. TSA PreCheck isn't a perk that automatically attaches to every trip, even after you're approved. Eligibility is driven by an identity match, so your airline reservation has to link to you correctly. That's why the known traveler number, or KTN, matters. Without it, PreCheck won't trigger. Also, not every flight or carrier participates, and TSA can still send you to standard screening randomly. Even your passenger type can block it on some bookings. Before you touch your airline profile, make sure you're using the right KTN and not a lookalike number. Start with your enrollment approval and then confirm the same number inside your trusted traveler account, so you're not relying on a forwarded email. KTNs are a specific length, and a single missing digit kills the match. Don't mix it up with a redress number, passport number, or frequent flyer ID, then double-check name rules and store the KTN securely. The cleanest way to get PreCheck consistently is to add your KTN to your traveler profile, not just one trip. In your airline account, open your saved traveler details and enter the KTN carefully, because the system reads it like a barcode. Your reservation also needs to match your legal name, plus the correct birth date and gender, since those fields help TSA confirm identity. Once it's saved in your profile, it should autofill on future bookings. Still, always confirm it appears on the next reservation. If a trip is already booked, you can usually fix PreCheck by adding the KTN to that specific passenger record and confirming it's stuck. This matters even more with third-party bookings, because the travel site's record and the airline's record can get out of sync. Always verify the operating carrier, the airline actually flying the plane, has your KTN, not just the marketing airline on the ticket. Then look for the PreCheck indicator tied to the booking. If your name doesn't match exactly, fix that first or the KTN won't connect. Your final checkpoint is the boarding pass itself. If PreCheck isn't printed there, you should assume you're going through standard screening. Recheck your name and date of birth, then confirm the KTN is attached to the reservation, not just sitting in your profile. If you updated anything, force a boarding pass reissue by refreshing the pass in the app, rechecking in, or asking the airline to reprint it. Watch for partial coverage, where one leg shows PreCheck and another doesn't. Handle it before the airport line, not at the podium. If your KTN, legal name, and birth date don't match perfectly, PreCheck often won't trigger at all. If you travel even a few times a year, CreditCardAgent can match you to the best card for your actual spending and show the real dollar impact versus your current card. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.